What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you're having a good day. But today I was going to film a bunch of Cars and Coffee stuff. I forgot my camera on my way to Cars and Coffee, and then Cars and Coffee ended up being pretty boring. Just a lot of stock BMWs, Corvettes, stuff like that. So nothing worth filming anyway. But it is really stinking hot today. I say that like every video, summertime out here, I swear. Me and Debbie Garage, kings of sand, and complaining how hot it is out here. But me and DJ are going to be heading up to Payson, go skate a little bit. So we're taking the CRV, trying to escape the heat a little bit.
Being safe out here because COVID.
Masks, masked up.
Yeah, mask up, AZ. No radio. One day. Case log first.
This dude was just talking about, he was hinting at possibly trading this friggin' CRV for a 5-speed Civic because he misses driving a manual. And then he was talking about trading our coworker for his EP3 because it's got a K24 swap in it.
Well, because it's manual.
Yeah, and instead of finishing the K swap that he's already working on, he just wants to hop into something else with the K. This has a K. This is a second-gen CRV. It's got a K24.
That's not the point, though. The point is I miss driving manual.
Yeah. You're just impatient.
Yes, I am. Nothing wrong with it, damn it.
I mean, I'm impatient too, but I just make sure, I don't know. I get stuff done.
It's gonna get done, relax. It will get done, because there is nothing else I want more than to have a K-Swap CRX. Especially mine, so.
Yeah. That's wild. That's a long line. Just stumbled on this for no reason. This sucks.
You're not gonna go any faster in this lane. We're all stuck here together.
It's a long line. Free that dog. Look at him just roasting out here.
Free that Doge.
Free that Doge. Finally, oh, sorry. I was gonna say finally moving, but we're slowing down again. Look at him.
Don't worry about me.
Texan driving's bottom code.
I'm reading.
You can't even read.
I'm trying to learn how to read in traffic. We stuck in traffic.
We've made it. We've been here for like 20 minutes and made it all of maybe a football field, and the cars are just piling up. Dude's like playing finger Yahtzee or something.
Finger Yahtzee.
My one leg is like really on fire. You got all the shade.
I do. I'm glad.
It's so hot. We're still barely moving.
I'm ready to turn around.
We can't turn around. We missed our 2 chances.
No, there has to be a 3rd chance.
Yeah, just yeet it through the wall. Make our own path.
What are you doing?
Douchebag.
I like being behind the baddies. Oh, I see why. Oh, come on. Oh. Somebody let me over.
Also, it's the chickies. Baddies.
I didn't really want to be that person, but I had to.
Oh dang, truck broke down.
Yeah.
On the uphill too, that sucks.
Alright, there you go. VTAC.
Throw a rod in this thing.
Oh no!
What's happening now?
We're still stopped.
This is trash. I wonder if they know each other.
Oh, look at him! I think they do. What? She gave him a red vine. Don't mind me. You remember when I slalomed through the cones the last time we came here?
In April's car, wasn't it?
No, it was in my car. It was the time just me, you, Ramon, and Taylor came up. He rode with me in my car, and you guys took her FRS to Taylor's car.
Yeah. Shout out Mari. Taquito finally showed up after 2.5 hours of driving, which was supposed to be like an hour, 15-minute drive, max.
Long drive, way too long.
It's worth it though. We ain't in the desert no more.
True.
You gonna skate in those Reeboks?
No. I got more shoes. I got my Adidas back here somewhere.
Adidas. Oh, it went.
That was so trash.
It's scary. I'm sticking like right that second post.
I seen you recording. It's like you messed me up.
I seen you pull up the camera.
Okay.
Stage fright?
Just a little bit. When I'm ready for it, it's fine. Hey, my finger's going up.
I got a good little cut on my elbow. Took a nice slam.
And right now we're out doing some back road yeeting in the cervix, and we're trying to, I'm taking them to this little dirt road up here so we can kind of do what the CRV was made for. But skating was fun, just really tiring. But yeah, it's that sign up there. It turns the dirt right there. Because this road right there is called Roller Coaster Road. Yeah, you want to go a little slow through here.
Yeah, see, this is the Seven Springs Road. I think there's another road I take us on. It's like, this is fun. Oh, slow. That was a big dip. I seen it too, but I was trying not to go off the edge.
Looks like we're in some Jurassic Park type stuff now.
Yo, it's actually raining.
Hopefully we don't get stuck out here in the mud. Oh shit. You wild.
It's straight, I can see. I want to take a picture.
With the rock?
Yeah. CRV in there. CRV doing off-road things.
Oh. We can use the actual camera.
Alright, I like that. Oh. This poor car. I'm sorry, Susan or Catherine or whatever your name is.
There's a chicken. Stop the car, there's a chicken.
You can run.
It's like right here. That was an actual chicken. The guys just like, because they're hiking right there and they were just staring at me.
I almost broke the damn door off.
That was a real chicken though.
Why are you so excited about it? Oh, I see it. I can see it.
I lived up here for 9 years and I never saw one chicken.
They're excited too. They stopped and taking pictures.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Had some fun. It was nice to just do something else besides, you know, weld and work on cars. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, let me know in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you've considered subscribing. And yeah, anyways guys, we'll see you in the next one. So do what you love, forget about the rest, and keep killing it. Peace out.